on, Zoe. Come on. Come on, Zoe. Come on, jump. Come on, jump. Why are you chasing me? Oh, whoa, look at all this stuff. Really, jump on the outside. What's she doing? Oh, whoa. Don't itch, or it's going to take forever. Really, stick? You found a stick? Let's get rid of that stick. Yeah. Bye-bye, stick. Come on, Zoe. Oh, you want to go out? Riley, don't do that. That's mean. Oh, you want to get out? No, she wants out. She wants out. Want out? Want out? Want to see her go down the ladder? Okay, here you go. Go down the ladder. Or just jump off. Well, that's it for this video. Please subscribe. Her claws are like really sharp, so we just like cut them down, and so she's allowed on the trampoline. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Kiki. Meow. You found some treats? Oh, I probably dropped them. Hey, Kiki. Meow. Kiki. Meow. Okay. Please subscribe and comment below. Peace.